What is up, everyone? Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Forex trading and we are going to unlock the world of currency markets. Now, I recently got back from a vacation and that was St. Vincent. While exploring and traveling in St. Vincent, I came across a lot of people that wanted to learn trading, not just any kind of trading, but Forex trading, and they didn't know where to go or who to learn from and didn't have the money to buy courses or pay someone to learn from. So I thought, what not better than to make a series, good quality series education videos, no fluff, no bullshit, right to the point of Forex trading. Because I get it, there's a lot of people out there that are struggling financially, making $2 an hour, $3 an hour. And if something so simple as free videos, free education, true, solid, raw education can help them change their lives, and if I can impact their life in some shape, way, and form, that makes me happy. So, with that being said, let's dive into this video. Now, these videos, this is going to be episode 1, series 1, and as they go higher and higher to 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, episode 20 is going to get more in depth, more education to the point where when all these are done, you should be you should know everything there is about Forex trading to the point where you can go out and be your own independent trader and start making money instantly. I'm literally going to teach you everything about Forex trading in these videos. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. That's the least you could do for me. Subscribe to the channel, comment below, give this video a thumbs up so it pushes the algorithm. Now, this YouTube channel, right, is basically going to be talking about me, my life, my trading journey, and my experience. Now, there's a lot of people that make stories up and make shit up, but I have legit proof and I can show people, and I will eventually make videos talking about how I did go to college and I graduated with $127,000. Again, I'm going to say that very slowly. $127,000 in debt. So when I walked out of college, within like 3 weeks, I started getting the bills to basically pay back my student loan. $127,000 in debt. Trading changed my life, but Forex trading truly saved my life, right? So I'm gonna say that again. Trading changed my life, but Forex trading saved my life. There's all different kinds of trading out there. You have stocks, options, futures, crypto. In my opinion, right, because I've tried them all, I've experienced them all, Forex trading is the absolute best. And again, this video is going to be a simple introduction, but episode 2, episode 3, episode 4, episode 5, they're going to get bigger and bigger and bigger and better. Now, again, these are free videos for you guys, 100% free. There's not going to be an upsell. All I'm going to do is mention in these videos, please subscribe to the channel and click the link below this YouTube video to join the free Discord community. Now, when you join the free Discord community, I don't ask for your email. A lot of people try to ask for your email, then later on try and sell you something through some sort of email marketing. I don't do that, right? Free video here on YouTube. Just subscribe. If you want to join a free Discord community, click the link below. And if you decide, hey, Forex is something you really want to pursue, then yeah, within that Discord community, we do have a signals group that you could choose to sign up for, or more advanced education. But nonetheless, I want to be able to impact people's lives as much as possible. Times are tough. People are struggling financially. So if I could break this down for them and prove to them and show them that, hey, if I can do this, you can do this. So that being said, let's dive into the very first part of these episodes, and that is Introduction to Forex Trading, Unlocking the World of Currency. So this is going to basically be 4 slides just to basically get our feet wet so you can kind of understand a little bit. So what is Forex trading? Okay, so this is where a lot of people don't know about Forex trading or what is it. It might sound a little bit confusing to them, right? So Forex, also known as FX, right? So if you ever see the word FX, it's basically, it means Forex or foreign exchange, right? It is the global market for trading currencies. So, when you travel around the world, right, every country has their own currency, okay? Not everyone in the world is using US dollar. Everyone's got their own currency. So, you're literally trading currency, okay? So it's the largest financial market in the world with a daily trading volume of 6 trillion. So it is massive. That is why it is the number one. So participants, who participates in the Forex market, foreign exchange? It is banks, uh, governments, corporations, and then retail traders. So retail traders is basically you and I. Those are the people, those are participants. Mainly banks, governments, corporations, those are the ones that really, really push it. Think of the world, think of Forex market as the ocean, right? Think of it as the ocean, right? You got the sharks, the great white sharks, you got whales, you've got basically, dolphins, you have, squid, it goes on, right? So you and I are just tiny, like little like plankton. We're just so tiny, and we're just basically just coming to take a little piece of the pie with trading. But the main big dogs are banks, governments, corporations. That is why so much money is funneled, right? So much money comes through the Forex market every single day. There is no comparison, right? So when people try to compare the Forex market to stock market, there's no comparison. When people try to compare Forex market to crypto, there's no comparison. When people try to compare Forex to futures, there's no comparison. Forex trading is number one. I'm telling you guys this over and over and over again. Again, these are free, right? It is the number one. I have personally traded stocks, options, futures, crypto. This is the number one thing to trade and to make money, and this is what you really need to focus on. So why trade Forex, right? High liquidity, right? What I mean by that, it is extremely easy to enter and exit a trade, right? Most important thing is accessibility, 24/5. So basically Saturday and Sunday you're not trading, but the Forex market is 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Now, when you travel to all areas of the country world basically are on different time zones. So the nice thing about Forex is that you can pick and choose which market you want to trade based on the time. So if you try to trade if you try to trade the stock market, and let's say you're in Hawaii or any other country, you might have to wake up at 3 o'clock in the morning. You might have to wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning, and that can become very overwhelming after a while. But with the Forex market, you could trade it 24 hours a day. You just have to figure out what kind of strategy you want to use and apply that towards setups. And I'm going to break down all these different setups for you guys as these episodes go on and on and on. And basically help you choose which path you want to go. So obviously global impact affected by, economic events worldwide. Low barriers, right? Entry, start with as little as $100. Though I do recommend starting with more. Now, you can start Forex trading with $50. Some guys have started with $5 and grown their $5 to $100. There's no other market. There's nothing else. There's no stocks, options, crypto. There's nothing else you could start with as little as money as Forex trading. Forex trading, like I said, you could literally start with $100. $100. And if you're a good trader and you have good risk management and you're disciplined, you can grow that $100 to $1,000, to $10,000, to $20,000, to $100,000, to even $1 million. Trade well, right? Trade well, profits will follow. Leverage is another thing, right? Leverage. I want to talk about this one right here. Leverage, you can have 500 to 1 leverage, which means, again, you could start with as little as $100 and grow your account day in and day out. Now, there's obviously going to be people that maybe struggle with this, growing their account, and it's really just a matter of getting your risk management and discipline dialed in. But again, there's nothing else you can't go trade stocks, options, futures with $100. You could do that with Forex. You could come and trade a currency. You could basically trade gold, XAU, US dollar. And we're going to talk about gold in more videos, different Forex pairs, US 30, NAS 100, but you can come and trade gold and make $100 off of gold with the right setup, with the right trend, and you'd be surprised how much money you can make with just a little bit of money. So, how does Forex trading work, right? So, obviously, this is very simple, guys. This is currency pairs, trade one currency against another. So, EUR, US dollar, GBP, JPY. So, you have the bid and the ask prices, and you understand spreads and how brokers make money. So, obviously, price movements influenced by supply, demand, and uh, events. So, this is a good introduction to Forex trading. Again, this is just episode one. Episode two, I'm going to go more and more in depth, right? And we're going to look at charts and we're going to look at brokers. We're going to look at platform, how to use these platforms. So, again, make sure you guys subscribe to these videos, subscribe to the channel, thumbs up, comment below, because like I said, these are going to be really, really good. You're going to want to get notified the minute I drop these videos. Again, I promise you, I'm looking at you through the camera. These videos are going to get intense, that to the point that once we're done with all the episodes, you will then probably comment saying, dude, you probably should have charged for that. But I'm not going to charge for it. I'm making this 100% free because I want you guys to learn this. I want you guys to make money. And I basically want to build the biggest Discord community of Forex traders that is 100% free. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel. Thumbs up. Comment below on what you thought of this good introduction to Forex trading. Again, guys, I'm telling you this, that it is the best thing to learn, the number one thing to trade. I have personally tried everything: e-com, drop shipping, vending machines. If you could think it, I've tried it. And Forex trading is the number one, where I will never give it up, and I will always want to improve myself as a trader to be bigger and better day in and day out. Thanks for watching this video. Take care.